What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to share my long-term review and thoughts on my GoPro setup for my AGV helmet that I brought up to you guys and finally revealed to you guys that I got a new helmet and wanted to go ahead and set it up the same way that I set up my older two backup helmets now. It's working out very well for me. It still allows me to quickly change out all of my Sena GoPro adapter and GoPro itself, accessories, blah blah blah, over to my next helmet. I've been using this helmet a lot lately, so I haven't changed much over to my backup helmets. But again, let me show you how quickly it is for me to change over to another helmet. So all I have to do is take this off my Sena. Boom, that pops off and is ready to go on my next helmet. Take out my speaker here, or my microphone, excuse me, and then all I have to do here is slide up on my actual camera on Velcro, and this helmet is off. Everything I need here is ready to go on my next helmet. And so again, so you guys that don't know, I already have my speaker, or my my microphone set up already in another helmet, and I already have my Sena mount and input jack piece to make sure I have my speakers working on another helmet. And I also have the actual GoPro mount already on my backup helmets as well, so that is easy for me to quickly change over to another helmet. This is all that I'm changing over to another helmet when I change helmets. So I got my actual GoPro with the hard case around it. I have my swivel mounts and my J mount on here so that I can get forward and backward movement along with full extension movement. And then we have our stupid GoPro adapter that all my GoPro guys know about for us to get audio in our cameras, unfortunately. So GoPro still needs to fix that within the upcoming years, to just put the aux auxiliary input in the actual GoPro so we don't have to buy stupid stuff like this, but that's another story. So going on here, I have my Velcro strip to allow my stupid GoPro adapter to be able to hook up to a helmet and not dangle. And then lastly, slide down and hook on my Sena, which is this is the SMH10, one of the older models. They have a newer model, but this is doing just fine for me and what I need, so I haven't changed over to one of the newer ones. So again, this is the SMH10 Sena, and I'm gonna go ahead and hook this back up here and then talk a little bit more, and then I'll probably end this video for you guys. Just want to show you that real quick on how easy it is for me to interchange my helmets like I showed you in a previous video. So with watching me do this here, you can just see how quickly it is for me to set this helmet right back up, which is no time at all. And this is exactly what you want when you have multiple helmets. So that's how easy it is for me to interchange my GoPro setup from helmet to helmet. So this setup again is really nice for me. It allows me to record straight video from my point of view and not off to the side of my helmet. I know some guys do like that side off kind of look, but it's kind of weird for viewers, meaning people watching your YouTube videos, because they kind of see half of your face shield and helmet, and then have a weird different angle of looking at your videos. A lot more people like the straight on look like I have right here, which is the chin mount, as we moto vloggers call it, the chin mount, straight in center. And again, I have Suguru moldable glue on my chin mount here to be able to hold and stick there and not move, because this is an AGV helmet and they have the pointy chin to not allow for chin mounts to be mounted on them unless you have something like Suguru moldable glue, and I have a video on that. So if you guys are purchasing any helmet that has a narrow or pointy chin mount and you want to be able to get that straight on camera look, make sure you guys watch that video. I did a complete I think 2 or 3 videos on that, on how to do so, and that you just need your 24-hour cure time to be able to make sure that will stay on there properly. Has a really good effect. It does have an off color look, obviously, than the actual shiny GoPro mounts, but it's keeping your $400, $300, whatever kind of camera you got safe and on there, protected at any speed that you're doing. So that's another thing that I want to point out to you guys. I haven't lost anything on any of my helmets. This setup is durable. Even this Velcro strip here with my mic adapter, I've never had this fall off on me. I've never had my input or my microphone jack come out. I've always had my Senna, or never, excuse me, I've never had my Senna come off. So overall, I really like this setup, and I love how I did everything on it. I still like my Mohawk look, even though I had to cut this short. Remember in that other video that I showed you guys on how to put, excuse me, how to put a how to put a Mohawk on your helmet. Excuse me, stumbling over my words, but I didn't really like the shortness of it, but again, I wanted to be able to open and close my visor and use it all the way to where it will go all the way up and all the way down. So like in my older helmet here, I'm only able to go up maybe about a half an inch like that on this black helmet on my older switch out or backup helmet over here. But so I had to think about that and cut this new Mohawk that I put on this AGV helmet shorter, so that I was able to use my face shield all the way. And that's it, guys. So overall, I love this setup. Glad I did it this way and continue to do it this way. So I'm sure any of my other helmets that I get in the future, I'll set them up the same way that I do here right now. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.